Hi, my name is Melissa Pinsons, and I'm a registered dietitian. I work for the URI SNAP Education Program. Thank you for joining our lesson today. Today's lesson is presented by the University of Rhode Island Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, Education, URI SNAP Ed. Our topic today is the nutrition facts label. We will talk about where to find it, how to read through the label, and choose the best products. Food labeling is required for most prepared foods, snacks, drinks, and desserts. However, nutrition labeling for fruits and vegetables and fish is voluntary. The label is located typically on the package and it has to have certain information on every product. Here is a trivia question for you. What should I look at first when looking at the label? Is it calories, total fat, or serving size? The correct answer is serving size. This is the first thing you want to look at when reading a label. Look at serving size first. The nutrient amounts are based on one serving, not the entire package. Some products will have two columns, one for a single serving and one for the entire package. If you decided to have two servings of a product, you would have to multiply each nutrient in the label by the number 2 to find out how much you consumed. Next, it is important to look at the number of calories, which are listed in a bigger font so it is easier to see. The average person needs about 2,000 calories each day. A question we are often asked is, how can I decide if a product is a healthy choice or not? The next few slides will help us to learn more about making the best choice. It is so important to use the label that you have in front of you. On the right-hand side, you will see the percent daily value. This tells you the percentage of each nutrient in a single serving, compared to the daily suggested amount. We will focus on the nutrients we want to be high and the ones we want to keep low. Let's check out the next slide. First, let's note that 5% or less means that it is low in that nutrient, and 20% or more means that it is high in that nutrient. There are some nutrients that we want to be high and some that we want to keep low. Eat foods high in dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients keep you healthy and help lower your risk for disease. So when looking at percent daily value, these are the nutrients we want to be high, or 20% or more. You may be thinking, what nutrients do we want to keep low when looking at the label? Look for foods low in saturated fat, trans fat, and sodium. Too much can increase your risk of heart disease. Remember, low means 5% or less of your percent daily value. Our last question today is true or false. Added sugar is the same as natural sugar. Do you think this is true or false? The correct answer is false. These are two different types of sugar. Let's learn more. Natural sugar is naturally found in food and drink. Examples include lactose, which is the natural sugar in milk, also fructose, which is the natural sugar found in fruit and 100% fruit juice. These items have sugar, but also provide us with healthy nutrients, which makes them a better choice. Added sugar is what manufacturers add to make the beverage or food item taste sweet. Items such as chocolate, candy, desserts, and sugar-sweetened beverages, to name a few. Remember, these items typically only provide us with extra calories and a lot of sugar. The label now includes added sugar, as you can see highlighted on the screen. Be sure to choose foods that are low in added sugar, which is 5% or less. Keep in mind that many foods such as candy, cookies, granola bars, flavored yogurt, and fruit snacks are loaded with added sugar as well. The last thing to note when looking at the nutrition facts label is to find the ingredients list, which is usually listed below the label. The ingredients are listed from most to least. Make sure you read this to see what is exactly in your food or drink. Remember, the nutrition facts label provides us with a lot of information. Be sure to look at all the nutrients listed in a product to decide if the item you are looking at is the healthy choice. Our recipe for today is Barley Veggie Salad. The next slide will show a 1-minute video of how to make this recipe. Bring 1.5 cups of water to a boil in a large pan. Add in your barley, cover, and reduce your heat to low. Simmer until all the water is absorbed. Then transfer barley to a large bowl and cool it in the refrigerator. Once cooled, mix in your spinach and chopped tomatoes. Add in your chopped peppers and your corn. Next, mix in your olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt, pepper, and either cilantro or basil. Mix it all up, cover, and chill until serving. Let's end with looking at our recipe nutrition facts label for Barley Veggie Salad. Looking at percent daily value, we can highlight that this recipe is low in saturated fat, has a reasonably good source of fiber even though it doesn't quite have 20%, and has no added sugar. A great dish to serve as a meal or a side dish. Thank you so much for joining our lesson today. If you're looking for more information, please call our toll-free number listed here or check out our website for more recipes and handouts.